Let's see what can do truck things and what can't. Okay. Onto the floor. Oh wait. No. Hey, hold up. Stop. No. Wait. No. I'm dragging his. I am dragging his. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow, it's pulling me back. Wait, they're kind of fighting. No. Wait. I'm losing. To the floor. It's so even. He's pushing me. He's winning. It's so neck and neck, dude. Neither of us are moving. That truck is dead to me. The driver of that vehicle is dead to me. It's a very even match. It's so even. At this point, you may be surprised that the Cybertruck still runs and drives properly.